Now in this video, we're going to learn how to subtract polynomials, and it's actually almost exactly the same as adding polynomials, except for this one difference. So because we're subtracting polynomials, this minus sign, this is kind of like a -1. It gets distributed to every single part of the second set of parentheses. The entire second polynomial is being subtracted, so we have to make sure we take that negative and multiply it to every single part of the second set of parentheses. So then we can rewrite it. I'm going to keep my first polynomial, 5x to the third plus 4x squared minus 7x plus 2. That one doesn't change at all. And then I end up changing the signs of every part of the second parentheses because of that negative. So I end up getting minus 8x squared. And then a negative times a negative would be a positive 9x. And then a minus 1. From there, it's exactly the same as adding polynomials, so I'm going to go through and combine like terms. So the rest is exactly the same. You just have to make sure you distribute the negative to every single part. The biggest mistake people make is they only do the first term, but that wouldn't be right because the entire polynomial is being subtracted. So let's go through combine like terms. 5x to the third, that's the only term with an x to the third, so that's by itself. I have a positive 4x squared and a negative 8x squared. 4 and minus 8 would be minus 4x squared. Then I have a minus 7x and a plus 9x, so that would give me plus 2x. Then I have a plus 2 and a minus 1, so that would give me plus 1. And that is your final answer.